Hey guys, welcome back to week 8 of our holiday home challenge. I'm super excited because this week I'm going to show you how you can make a super easy and really functional gift wrapping station, and I'm also going to share some quick tips where you can hide your Christmas gifts. The first thing I wanted to share with you is my gift wrapping center. I've been doing this for a couple of years. I've tried other organizers, but this one is amazing. Under the bed, we have a roll-out tote for all of our wrapping amazingness. And everything inside is from the dollar store, but we're set up for wrapping success. I love these under the bed storage totes because they're long enough to hold even the longest roll of wrapping paper. They hold a ton of wrapping paper, but it's also where I store all of the gift bags, cards, tape, scissors, bows, everything you need for a beautiful gift. And because it's portable, you can wrap gifts here, or I can take it downstairs when we're wrapping a lot of things in the basement. I just love this so much, and I use it all year long. If you move over the wrapping paper, you'll see all of the gift bags are stored underneath. Even really large gift bags can be stored flat on the bottom of this setup. And because it rolls under the bed, it really doesn't take up a lot of space at all. I've tried so many different organizers, ones that hang in the closet, back of the door. I just gotta say, nothing works better than the roll under the bed gift wrapping station. So now let's talk about where you can hide the gifts that you're buying, because it's all about the surprise. You don't want your kids or family members to find the gifts ahead of time. One of the cool places that we hide is under the bed. Everything. Underneath this bed, it's like holiday palooza under there. There's wrapping centers, there's gifts under there, so many things. But if you're short on space, I love the idea of storing them in empty suitcases, because who would think to look in there? And you have empty suitcases in your home anyway, so why not fill them with gifts? Another really cool idea that I heard was using laundry hamper, laundry baskets, and just putting like a clean towel on top, so filling it with gifts. No one's going to be putting away the clean laundry, so you don't have to worry about people peeking in the hamper. I'd love to hear in the comments below some creative ways where you hide your Christmas gifts. I'm not sure if my kids have ever found any toys that I've hidden, because they probably wouldn't tell me. They would keep it on the down low, but we love to play hide and seek in this house. All year round, they're playing hide and seek, and one of their favorite hiding spots is under the bed. So we do not play hide and seek during the holidays. They know this rule. We don't play during the holidays. But one time in the summer, they were playing hide and go seek, and they were hiding under the bed. And you know what? Charlie, our elf on the shelf, had come to visit in the summer, and he was hiding with all of his gear and all of his accessories under the bed. That was crazy. Charlie, what were you doing under the bed in the summertime? Craziness. So now Charlie knows not to visit us in the summer. He only comes during the winter. Because I'm just wondering if your children have also discovered something at one time or another that they shouldn't have discovered, or found their gifts ahead of time. Let me know in the comments below. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're feeling inspired to make your own wrapping station today, and stay tuned for next week where we're decorating for the holidays. I'm so excited about decorating for the holidays. I know everyone's been doing it early this year. Like, what's up with that? It's because 2020 sucks, donkey balls. That's why everyone's decorating early. But I'm decorating slightly earlier than normal. But if you've already decorated, I hope you're still enjoying seeing how I decorate and some of the tips. So we'll see you in that video. Hey guys, so thanks so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. I thought I'd share with you my most nightmarish vacation ever. It sounds like it's going to be great. It's the suitcase. It's inspiring me for this end story. So we decided to go sailing. It sounds amazing, right? Sailing the BVI, which is the British Virgin Islands, with Joe and I. And he had like a coworker that was going and renting a boat, and he was a captain, and it was going to be like, 9 days on the open ocean. The greatest, loveliest time ever. Hi. So we show up there. You're on a tiny boat. They had lost my luggage. We're on like a 2-seater plane to get to the island. It was terrifying, and I had no luggage. There's no stores. There's no electricity on these islands. It's like you're wearing the same underwear for 9 days, friend. Good luck with that. I did get a bathing suit and a cover-up, and I was like, we're just going to go with this. Sailboats go very slow. Sailboat, you're on a sailboat all day, just looking at water. Just looking at water in every direction. I was so seasick. I was woofing my cookies. I felt like I was going to die the entire time. It was less than enjoyable. You ever think like you see something on TV and you think like, oh my gosh, you're going to be on like a sailboat, like fancy, and I'm going to have a big hat and I'm going to be sipping mimosas or something. There was none of that. I was heaving, I was sweating, I was stinking, and it wasn't fun. I don't know why I'm sharing that video. I am curious though, have you ever had like really high expectations for a vacation and it went epically wrong? Let me know in the comments below your worst ever vacation. Anyone who wants to go sailing, don't. I'll see you guys next time.